Hey guys, welcome to my yet another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can clean your makeup brushes at home. So yeah, but before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the things required are a cleaning mat like this. This is a makeup cleaning mat which is easily available in online stores. I got this from AliExpress and it's quite inexpensive, I guess for $1 or $2, something like that. And I will link this in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And it has and once you put it, it just sticks there, it stays. And now after that I'll need a dish liquid, so here I'm using Palmolive Oxy and some makeup brushes and some beauty blenders. So the first thing which you need to do is wet your brushes. So go ahead and rinse them with plain water. And here I have rinsed all my brushes, and now I will apply some liquid dish soap, and here in circular motions you can just rotate your brush and it will get cleaned here. See? So easy. I'm going to do the same with my another brush. With the brush which I use my blusher on, my contour brush, everything. You can clean each and every brush like this. It's so easy. There. And you can also clean your eyeshadow brushes like this. You can already see the makeup coming out. See? For the beauty blenders, it's a little bit different. So if you try to clean the beauty blenders like this with this soap, and let me show you. You can clean it little bit. It will not get cleansed properly. Let me show you this one because this is a lighter color. So when I use like rotate the beauty blender on this cleaning mat, and after I rinse it, here you can see it's not clean properly. So what I would suggest, you put some liquid soap like this on the blender, and then using your hands just clean it like this. And now do the same thing, like try to clean it with your fingers with the tap water on. So now you can see it's clean properly, it's totally clean. I'll go ahead and do the same for the other beauty blenders which I have. And now you can see they're totally clean. See? That's the additional step which I personally prefer to do with my beauty blenders. And now I'll go ahead and rinse off all my makeup brushes. So there, as you can see, all my makeup brushes are clean now. There. So once you're done cleaning, you can just lay all your brushes one by one on a clean tissue paper, and let them get air dried. This was such an easy procedure which you can definitely do at your home at your own time. So yeah. That's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and now you can go ahead and clean all your makeup brushes. It's very important to clean them because if we don't clean them, bacteria and fungus can grow on them, eventually can cause acne or wrinkles on our skin. So it's very important to clean your brushes. So yeah, go ahead and clean them. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family. Please let me know in the comment section below how you do it, and I would definitely love to hear that out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So until next time, bye bye.